The birth of a child is a miracle for any couple. If you're planning to get pregnant, it is extremely important that you consider all the potential risk factors in order to prevent all possible problems with childbearing. Today, infertility is a rather common pathology. According to the World Health Organization, about 8 to 10% of couples face problems of infertility. Let's figure out what factors you need to take into account to preserve your reproductive health for a long time. Number 1. Age. Age is perhaps the main factor in a woman's reproductive performance. After reaching menopause at the age of 45 to 50 years, a woman's ovulation stops. Due to this, she is no longer able to become pregnant. Although period-related disorder can start long before the onset of menopause, modern medicine allows women to extend their childbearing age as far as possible. Gynecological diseases that negatively affect a woman's ability to become pregnant include myoma of the uterus, endometriosis, and polycystic ovary syndrome. Some severe cases may even lead to fertility. Other diseases that are referred to as prognostically unfavorable for pregnancy include autoimmune diseases, systemic lupus. However, a competent approach to the diagnosis and treatment of the above mentioned pathologies can significantly increase the chances of a successful pregnancy. Number 3. Excessive physical activity. While moderate physical activity and doing sports is extremely important in keeping your body fit, especially if you are planning to become pregnant, excessive physical activity can lead to exhaustion of the body. Although most girls are ready to sacrifice a lot to maintain a slender body, it is important to keep in mind that fatty tissue is in one of the sites of the synthesis of sex hormone. A low level of substantious fat can lead to a decrease in the production of estrogens and as a consequence a menstrual cycle disorder. Number 4. Obesity. Excess fat can affect a woman's reproductive health as negatively as the lack of it. It has been proved that excess weight reduces a woman's ability to become pregnant, even in the case of regular menstrual cycle. A recent study showed that obese young girls have a tendency to develop polycystic ovary syndrome, which is one of the main causes of infertility. Number 5. Sexually transmitted diseases. Sexually transmitted diseases are not serious problems for modern couples. In the US, for example, these pathologies are found in 65 million people, including teenagers. Disease like gonorrhea, chlamydia, and trichomoniasis can lead to inflammation of the reproductive organs, violation of the patency of the fallopian tubes, ectopic pregnancy, and even infertility. The above-mentioned diseases can remain asymptomatic for a long period of time, which can have additional side effects. Number 6. Harmful habits. It is a well-known fact that smoking and alcohol have a destructive effect on the human body. According to a study, smoking causes up to 13% of all infertility cases, and alcohol consumption increases the risk of ovulation disorder. Smoking and alcohol damages all the organs and systems in the human body. A successful pregnancy requires completely quitting smoking and alcoholic beverages. Giving birth to a baby is not an easy task. It requires increased attention to your health and changes in your lifestyle. But the result is surely worth the effort. The Cares and Cures team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your body and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family and let us know what you think in the comment below. The video is solely for informational purposes. Do not self-diagnose or self-medicate, and in all cases, consult certified healthcare professional before using any information presented in this video. The editorial board does not guarantee any result and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.